How to integrate Trello into Monday.com. You can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Go to the Apps Marketplace. Click on your profile and open the Apps Marketplace in Monday.com. 2. Search for Trello. Type Trello in the search bar and select the Trello integration app. 3. Connect your Trello account. Log in with your Trello credentials and grant access to Monday.com. Choose integration actions. Select how Trello and Monday.com should sync, like when a card is created in Trello, add an item in Monday.com. 5. Customize sync settings. Map Trello fields like title, description, and due dates to Monday.com columns. 6. Enable auto-sync. Turn on automatic updates so changes in Trello reflect in Monday.com instantly. 7. Test the integration. Create a Trello card and check if it appears in Monday.com as expected.